Hi, I'm Evan Boyle from the Copilot CLI team, and this is advanced tips and tricks for the Copilot CLI. So often when I pick up a piece of work, I kind of want to load in context from what I was doing yesterday. It's like I'm about to start fixing this bug. I know there was a bug in a similar area. I know I was using Copilot to solve that bug, but I don't remember exactly what we did. So I can just ask Copilot, like a free-form question, hey, I'm pretty sure there was this bug in app.tsx yesterday that we solved. Can you go pull up the info related on that conversation that we had? So Copilot CLI has a SQLite database that contains all of your session history locally. There's a full text search index. There's information in different tables on user messages, system responses, which files were edited. And the Copilot CLI has access to a tool that enables it to generate SQL, query this table, and then answer questions. Here we can see that yesterday I was indeed working on this bug, and now that context is loaded into my context window. I can also use it for things like, hey, tell me about ways in which I could use Copilot CLI better. What are the common pitfalls that I run into when prompting?